Editing an Amazon FBA shipment involves a few steps within the Seller Central platform. Here's a concise guide. Log into Seller Central. Access your Amazon Seller Central account using your credentials. Navigate to Manage FBA Shipments. Go to the Inventory tab and select Manage FBA Shipments from the drop-down menu. Find the shipment. Locate the shipment you want to edit. Shipments are listed by their status, such as working, in transit, or shipped. You can only edit shipments that are in the working status. Edit shipment contents. Click on the shipment name to open its details. Here, you can adjust the quantity of items, add new products, or remove items from the shipment. Make the necessary changes by updating the product quantities or adding or removing SKUs. Update shipment details. If needed, update the shipping method or address. You can change the carrier or modify the shipping speed. Review and confirm changes. After making the edits, review the updated shipment details. Ensure that all information is correct. Save changes. Click the Save or Approve button to confirm and save your changes. This will update the shipment plan accordingly. Reprint labels. If you made significant changes, such as adding new products, you might need to reprint the shipping labels. Navigate to the label printing section and generate the new labels. Ship your products. Once edits are complete and labels are printed, proceed with shipping your products to the designated Amazon Fulfillment Center.